Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website Friday, August 5, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Apple? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Apple stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 2.792. In this period the stock has had a gain of 5.46%. This is an average return of 0.68% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock price ended on $165.35 on Friday after losing 0.28%. The Apple stock price fell by -0.28% on the last day, Friday, August 5, 2022, from $165.81 to $165.35, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 1.75% from a day low at $163 to a day high of $165.85. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 7.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 57 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.36 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 9.62%, or $17.59, below 52-week high and 74.61%, or $485.91, below all-time high June 6, 2014 where the price hit $651.26. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $166.55 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 8.52% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -9.93% and 9.31%. The 12-month trend indicates a 0.0581% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -21.29% and 10.18%. This equals a price between $130.15 and $182.18 after a year. Here are some price predictions from StockInvest users. Additionally, 2 users think the price will go up. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Apple stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $162.67 and $148. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 3, 2022, and so far it has fallen -0.47%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $146.50 and $142.56. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $146.50. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $142.56 and $141.66. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.85 between high and low, or 1.75%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.1%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 27.41. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $165.81. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $146.50, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Adams Catherine L., whom have bought and sold 24,300 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -54.575. In total, the insiders bought 705,407 and sold 2,823,061 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $161.04, minus 2.61%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 78, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 2 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Apple stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 8th, we expect Apple to open down -62 and start trading at $164.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.